Hello friends, welcome to eFarm. Many have asked about a detailed video of a Venturi setup. In this video, I am explaining the steps to easily add the Venturi system in your garden hose and supply liquid fertilizers to plants while watering. In my next video, I will explain steps to set up the same in drip line with low water pressure. Let's get into this video. Before jumping into this setup, I would like to give a quick brief about the Venturi system and its working. It is a mechanical system comprises of a Venturi injector that is attached to your water line to supply liquid fertilizers to plants. The Venturi injector consists of three ports: water inlet, suction, and an outlet. When water flows from inlet to outlet, a vacuum is created in the middle. This initiates a suction through the suction port where your fertilizers being sucked into the main water line. Also on the suction side, we attach a suction assembly. This has a control valve to adjust the suction rate of the liquid fertilizer into the water. Also, there is a filter attached at the bottom to prevent any dust to get into the injector. In case your Venturi do not have a suction assembly kit, you can just use 3 by 8 inch hose of 1 meter and connect to the suction port. I am using the following fittings in my setup: two 3 by 4 inch ball valves. One is sufficient to control your water on off, but I am using one more as I do not have a 3 by 4 inch threaded union. Next is a Venturi injector with assembly, suction assembly, and 3 by 4 inch male threaded hose nipple to connect your garden hose. A Teflon tape, so this prevents water leak from your fittings, and I'm using 3 by 4 inch garden hose of 15 meters length. So these are the fittings I'm using for this setup. I have applied Teflon tape to all the threaded connections to prevent water leaks. From the main water line, I have already connected one of the 3 by 4 ball valve for watering on off. Now I am attaching Venturi injector. Please follow the arrow direction in the Venturi injector while connecting. Make sure the suction port is facing sideways or downways. So now I am connecting second 3 by 4 ball valve. If you have a threaded union, you can use in place of ball valve, or if you have 3 by 4 inch female threaded hose nipple, you do not need ball valve or any threaded unions. You can connect the garden hose directly to it. Now connecting 3 by 4 inch hose nipple where you can connect your garden hose to it. Once it is done, you can connect the suction assembly and the garden hose. That's shown in the video. Now setup is done. It is time to test. You can take any liquid fertilizers and mix it with water as per the prescribed ratio. After mixing the liquid fertilizer to water, put the suction pipe inside the drum and turn on watering. Now you are hearing a hiss sound. This indicates that the fertilizer is sucked into the main water line. Now I am removing the suction pipe out of liquid fertilizer. You clearly able to see the suction happening. As mentioned initially, you can adjust the suction rate of your liquid fertilizer using the suction control knob. If you want to do regular watering, just turn this off to stop the suction. So when I turn this on, you see the suction starts. Hope you find this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe to eFarm. Thank you for watching.